Hello again. Time for another village drive video. Check that the camera can see me. We're going through Sandling, Saltwood, and then down into Hythe. Very windy, little villages, lots of potential hazards. So this one could be quite interesting. You'll get your triangles and your circles. Red for hazard, yellow for awareness. And don't forget, drop me a comment if you see something I don't. Okay, let's get into this. It's a 30-mile-an-hour zone. Plenty of residential entrances. Chevrons indicate a tight bend. Saltwood. We are entering Saltwood on a 30-mile-an-hour zone. Nice little country lanes, eh? Blind bend ahead. Still a 30 zone. Warning of flood. That could happen. School sign, but we are in the summer holidays. Brockhill Park. Yeah, you don't want to do more than 30 here. Car was a bit on my side for my liking. Very windy and very blind bends. Okay, coming into Saltwood, I've committed. There's vehicles all over the place. Not sure what this Mercedes is doing. I'm going to go down School Road, I think, which is straight ahead. Entering a 20 zone, indicate off. Couple of cars ahead, so I have to go out into the road, just keeping my eye out. I've not indicated, there's absolutely nobody around. Right, the road narrows, it tells me, although it looks about the same. Still a 20 zone. Entering a 30 zone in a moment. Car came out. He had to do it because he didn't see me. That's a 30 zone and then a 40 zone. How bizarre. 20, 30, 40. Come on, let's do it. Right, there's refuse collection at the top there, but that's not my road. Interesting to watch. Tight blind bend ahead. Still a 40 zone. Coming into a built up area, dropping down to 30. Elderly people sign, or is it pickpockets ahead? I could never work that one out. Okay, we've got no entry, so we either turn right or left. To get to Hythe, we will go left on North Road, making sure it's clear for me to enter. Quite a few houses with cars parked. Now just down here, I want to do a very tight right, almost like a U-bend. Indicate right. Car behind me. Swinging out. Nothing coming down, nothing coming up. Let's commit. Cars on the left, but enough room for 2 vehicles to pass. How are we doing? 5 minutes. I'll take you a little further down. We'll turn left and end up at the sea. So we've got a roundabout. I want to go right. So get into the right hand lane and indicate. Saab indicated. Fiesta is indicating. Boiler Healthcare, you are not indicating. Name and shame. Didn't indicate right, didn't indicate off. These poor pedestrians didn't know what he was doing. After hours emergency service. That's for when he's crashed. Traffic lights are changing ahead. I'm going to let this Nissan Juke out. There's no point racing ahead. Might as well let them out. Because I would only race ahead and join the traffic lights, wouldn't I? This is Hythe. We've come down into Hythe. 17th of August, lights are changing. The Venetian Hythe Spectacular. That's where they do the barges down the Royal Military Canal. That may be worth visiting. Another set of lights ahead for a crossing. Want to go left after the lights. So I shall indicate about now. Pedestrians everywhere. Very interesting. This goes down to the seafront now. So the hazards will be parked cars, pedestrians crossing between parked cars, doors swinging open, and oncoming vehicles. There's a hatchback open, someone's loading. Pedestrians on the left. There's a mobility scooter ahead. I'm doing about 18 miles an hour here. Cyclist coming towards me, so if I overtook the mobility scooter, I'd cause the cyclist. He didn't tell me what direction he was going. Naughty McNaughtiness. You know, you indicate with your hand if you're on a bike. Lots of cars swinging out of the junction. Marine Parade. Just pull up here so that I can stop the video. That was a drive from Sandling, Saltwood and into Hythe. Quite a few hazards, certainly a few unexpecteds. Drop me a comment if you saw something I didn't see. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.